Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafty weekend. Today, we're going to play with this week Friday freebie. Every Friday on my YouTube channel you get a free printable from me. It's a page that you can download, save to your computer and print as and when. And this week is probably one of my favorite for 2026 because I love daisy. Daisies and lilies are my favorite flowers, especially white daisies and white lilies. I don't know why. I have this taste with white flowers. I'm not sure why. So I'm gonna, instead of waffling, let me explain. So this page here has, as you can see, a little like turquoise Tiffany background. I basically played with two sort of sizes of daisies, and then to make it a bit more cutie, if it's the right word, I just put some more yellow hearts, and each heart is made of flowers as well. So again, it's like an harmony of yellow and turquoise Tiffany color. Okay, this page here has been designed from my very popular Botanical Elegance bundle, and I'll show you in just a second on my screen. So in case you guys wish to purchase it, I'll showcase where to find it. My Botanical Elegance bundle has 100 pages. Yes guys, 100 pages. I repeated 100 pages. And it's full of daisies. So I wanted to showcase that kit and giving you a little preview in case you wish to purchase it. And it's got like lovely daisy and denim and things like that. At the moment, for this week only, so from this Friday to the following Thursday, it's for half price only. Okay, so you can get it for only £5 instead of £9.99. Let me share on my website where you can find it. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. You can see on the top here. So this is the home page, and then if you click on the kit, we're gonna give you a quick preview, and then let's have a look at details. So if you click on the second square here, it gives you a preview of all the pages that you get. Okay, and this applies to every single bundle that I have, so you can see everything that you're buying. Just give you a quick tons and tons and tons and tons of papers, 100 to be precise. Okay, so now you saw the bundle. Of course, how do you get the freebie? As usual guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. Just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm looking forward to having you on my Facebook group where you can share your project, and if not, just take inspiration for what I share and other crafter shares. So it's a very interactive platform. Guys, don't forget to download it, get your hands on this lovely page. And then if you wish to get the bundle, I will put all the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely crafty weekend. And until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.